जैसे, तो उसका अर्थ क्या होगा?
कि
करोते है मतलब
कृ
करने
धातु,
वाला?
कृ धातु
क्रू
का।
धातु। हुँ,
शुरू करें स्वामी।
ठीक है। हाँ,
ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम्। In Ajanta Pullinga Prakarana, we are seeing Kroshtu Shabda. Kroshtu Shabda is Rasva Ukaranta. Generally, it is Rasva Ukaranta just like any other Rasva Ukaranta. But sometimes it gets Trujvat Bhava. Truch is one Pratyaya, Krit Pratyaya. And it gets that Bhava means it is considered like that and then it is declined. So in some cases it becomes like that. In some cases it does not become. So common rule is when Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas are there in front of it, that time it will become Trujvat. And Trutiyadi Ajadi Pratyayas are there, that time it will become Trujvat but optionally. For Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas it will become always. For Trutiyadi Ajadi Pratyayas, Trutiya Ekvachan, Chaturthi Ekvachan, Panchami Ekvachan, Shashti Ekvachan, Saptami Ekvachan, then this Shashti, Saptami, Dvivachan. Here it will become optional. So if it is not Rukaranta, if it is not becoming Trujvat, then it will remain Ukaranta, Rasva Ukaranta. And the normal Prakriya will happen, what we did for Shambhu. That Prakriya will happen. So Gheringiti, Guna will happen, Nit Pratyas when there are there. In the case of Tritiya Bhakti, Anu Nastriyam Na will come in the place of this Ta Pratyaya. In the case of Chaturthi Ekvachan, Panchami Ekvachan, Shashti Ekvachan, Saptami Ekvachan, the Guna will come. So Saptami, the Achyagehe, the special sutra will come. But before that, Nit Pratyayas, there the Guna will happen. And in the case of Chaturthi Bhakti Ekvachana, Kroshto and then Kroshtave, Ayadi Adesha will happen. After Ayadi Adesha, Kroshtave Rupa happens. Then in the case of Panchami Bhakti, Gheringiti, Guna happens. Kroshto, Dhana, As, the Purva Rupa Adesha takes place because of Ngasinga Soscha Sutra. In the case of Shashti Bhakti Ekvachana also Ngasinga Soscha, Kroshtoho, these two forms we get. And if the Trujvat Bhava happens, it becomes Rukaranta. And because it is Rukaranta, then this Ruta Ut takes place in the case of Panchami Bhakti, Shashti Bhakti, Ekvachan. So if it becomes Rukaranta, means Trujvat Bhava takes place, then Kroštru, As. In this situation, this Ru and A is replaced by Ur. Because U comes. Rutah Ut. That Ngasinga Soho, Atipare, Rutah Ut Syat. Now this Ut is Ukara. Ukara will come with Ra by Uran Raparaha. Whenever any un letter comes in the place of R and L, then it will come with R and L. Here it is coming in the place of R, therefore it will come with R. So thus it came Kroshta Ursa. This was the situation. Kroshturs. This was the word we got. Now this whole is pada. Now here Sanyogantasya padasya lopaha. Sanyogantasya lopaha. By this sutra, the Sanyoganta lopa was supposed to happen. Now we see Sanyoganta lopa, last letter disappears. If pada is ending with Sanyoga of consonants, then last letter disappears. Sanyogantasya lopa. So Kroshturs here sa was supposed to disappear as per the Sanyogantasya Lopah. But again the sutra was, the separate sutra was told that Ratsasya may sa disappear after ra if it is coming at the end of pada. No, there was no need of saying this because it was possible already. It was siddha by Sanyogantasya Lopa. It was not that it was not siddha. It was not asiddha. It was siddha by Sanyogantasya Lopa. But yet again it was told. So therefore, the niyama comes. The niyama takes place here. What? That if anywhere the disappearance of consonant is taking place after ra, let it be of only sa and not of any other else. So if there is any other consonant after ra and it is the sanyoga at the end of any word, there not any other letter will disappear, but only sa will disappear. If there is any other letter after ra, there is sanyoga of ra and any other letter, then that will not happen. So that rule will not be applicable. So this is Niyama Sutra. Siddhe sati niyamah, siddhe sati arambha niyamartha. Something is already siddha and yet it is begun. Then it is for niyama. So this is called Niyama Sutra. We had seen Niyama Sutra. We had not seen Niyama Sutras yet. So this is our first Niyama Sutra. That something is prapta and yet it is mentioned. So it is niyamartha. It again comes for this Krutadhita samasascha. In this sutra, the samasascha, this samasa part is for niyama. So there, I don't think we saw that, but here we saw that this is the niyama. So after that, we made that sa to disappear. We got kroshtur. Then this ra we turned into this visarga. Kharavasanavar visarjaniyah. Refer turns into visarga. We get kroshtuhu. Kroshtuhu. This is the form when the kroshtu shabda gets trijvat bhava. If it does not get trijvat bhava, if it remains ukaranta only, then our gher niti guna will happen. Kroshtu will become kroshto as. Kroshto as. In this situation, the HOAY is prapta, but the sutra comes ngasi gasoscha. This sutra comes and it says that if there is ngasi or ngas, these pratyas are there in front of it and there is akara, and here it is ghisaudnyaka shabda ending with eng, then do not do ayadi adesha, but what will we do? We will do purva rupa. So of that ngasi and ngas will merge into, not will merge, means that and the o, they will be replaced by the purva savarna. So purva rupa adesha takes place and we get kroshtoho. These two forms in the case of Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan, Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan, optional. Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachan, kroshtave. Gheniti guna takes place, kroshto and a, kroshto a, ayadi adesha happens there. Kroshtave, that form we get. If trujvat bhava happens, kroshtre. Rukara, yanadesha, kroshtre. That's it.
Can you
Yes,
share
Swami.
the screen?
Yes, Swami, I will share. The screen में बहुत कुछ हुआ है तो I will share. Just a second ना समझिए. this is the prakriya of क्रोष्टु ngasi, पंचमी विभक्ति एक वचन, क्रोष्टु ngasi, क्रोष्टु asi, क्रोष्टु asi as, क्रोष्टु क्रोष्ट u as. Then here the o comes, the guna comes because of ghering iti guna adesha, and then ngasi ngasoscha. This is the sutra. Ngasi ngasoscha. We were seeing that and we just left it. Then okara comes in the place of both of them. O जी क्रोष्टोस, and then क्रोष्टोः. This form we get after rutva visarga. But if it is rukara, then the prakriya will take place like this. Kroshtu will become Kroshtu, dhana ngasi, Kroshtu will turn into ru, Kroštru. Now here what will happen? Ruta ut, this sutra will come, that if the rukaranta is getting followed by ngasi ngasoho at, the akara of ngasi or ngas pratyaya, then ukara will come in the purva parayoho. The eka purva parayo adhikara is there in ruta ut, this sutra. So this will look like kroshta u dhana as. Here in this situation, ur with ra it will come. Is a and r, both of these are disappeared. Then sa. Step 0 plus 0 and sa. Okay. Sutra is rita ut. Kroshturs we get. This is pada. So padantasya संयोगांतस्य लोपः, संयोगांतस्य पदस्य लोपः स्यात्. So sa is supposed to disappear. It is about to disappear by the rule this संयोगांतस्य लोपः. But again ratsasya sutra comes. Ratsasya repat संयोगांतस्य sasya eva lopah nanyasya. Now this is whole niyama. This is not the meaning of sutra. I mean, if we do anuvritti etc., this is not the meaning. This is not the exact sutra meaning. But this is na anyasya is additional, which is niyama. This eva lopah nanyasya, this is additional, which is niyama. It is called niyama sharira. Rephat sanyogantasya sasya lopah. This is the meaning. Ratsasya sutra. Eva lopah na anyasya, this is additional, which is niyama. So in the case of repha, the sanyoga with repha, only sa will disappear. Anything else, if it is there, it will not disappear. And example we had seen this urj. Now this urj here, sanyogantasya lopah will be prapta here also, but it will not be applicable. Why? Because ratsasya. If it is ra and any other letter, the sanyoga at the end of pada, then only sa will disappear. Other letters will not. So ja will remain as it is, and we will get urk, this form. So this was over. Same prakriya happens for ngas, shashti vibhakti ekvachan. For bhyam and bhyas, no prakriya, no trujvat bhava, just kroshtu bhyam, kroshtu bhya. These are the forms. Kroshtuhu, shashti vibhakti ekvachana form, as it is, no change. Now kroshtu dhana os. If trujvat bhava happens, kroshtroho, kroshtru os. Repha comes because of this iko yanachi. Yanadesha takes place, and krostroho, krostros, krostroho, this form we get. If Trujvat Bhava does not happen because Vibhasha Tritiyadishu Achi, it is optional Trujvat Bhava in the case of Tritiyadi Ajadi Pratyaya. Kroshtu Dhana Os. If Trujvat Bhava does not happen, then what happens? Just Ikoyanachi happens and we get form Kroshtvoho. This form we get. And if Trujvat Bhava happens, then we get Kroshtu turns into Kroshtru. Dhana Os. Ikoyanachi takes place and we get Oho. Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachan, Saptami Vibhakti Dvivachan. This is the form. Now, this is our form where we were working. Kroshtu Am, Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan. Kroshtu U Am. Now, Kroshtu Ru Am. By Vibhasha Tritiyadishu Achi. By this sutra, it is Prapta. But whenever there is Tritiyadi Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya in front of Kroshtu Shabda, then the Trujvat Bhava will happen optionally. Okay. Now, once we will get optional means we will get two situations. First is Kroshtu Dhana Am, and second situation we will get Kroshtu Dhana Am. Okay. This is what we will get. Now, both of here, easy prakriya, nut agama will come because it is Hrasva. Hrasva Nadhyapo nut. Here nut will come. In the case of Kroshtru also, Hrasva Nadhyapo nut will come. Okay. But, and if it nut comes, then nam will happen and nami sutra will be applicable. Kroshtu nam, and in the case of ru, Kroshtru nam. These two forms we will get, two different forms. But if we carry forward prakriya with this form, we will get Kroshtu nam, and in the case of Kroshtru, we will get Kroshtu nam. These two forms we will get. Okay. But now this is not the Shishta Prayoga, or this is not the Sadhu Prayoga. This is Asadhu. Kroshtru nam, this is Asadhu. What is Sadhu? Kroshtu nam is Sadhu. So, how will we do the Siddhi of this? One is that Vibhasha, it is possible only, no need of doing. Then, how to avoid this Trujvat Bhava? Because Kroshtru nam, such form does not exist. Now, how to avoid? We need to avoid it. So, in order to avoid this Kroshtru nam Asadhu Prayoga, explanation is given. Vartika is patita by Katyayana Maharshi. What is that Vartika? Vartika is Numachira Trujvat Bhavebhyo Nut Purva Vipratishedhena. Numachira Trujvat Bhavebhyo Nut Purva Vipratishedhena. What is this? Let's understand. We have to recollect the sutra, what we had learned. Vipratishedhe Param Karyam. What was sutra? Here I will write. Vipratishedhe Param. Just a second, this bhasha stop working. विप्रतिषेधे परम कार्यम. This is the sutra. Vipratishedhe param karya. We had seen what is Vipratishedha. Vipratishedha is tulya bala virodha. When two different sutras will come together to work in one place. Okay. There the Vipratishedha comes. Now which sutra we should apply? That question comes out. Now Vipratishedha happens when both the sutras have their own area of work. They work there separately, independently, and also they find one same place, same location where they can come to work. Now one of them is supposed to be applied. Now which one we should apply, that question comes. So in that situation, this Paribhasha Sutra says that Vipratishedha, if it is there Vipratishedha, Tulya Bala Virodha in two sutras, then do the para. Para karya should happen. We should do the para karya. So we have to see the number of sutras. If two sutras are coming together to do some work, then we should do the later one and not the previous one. Now here, in the case of Kroshtu Am, Vibhasha Tritiya Dishvachi is the sutra by which the Ru will come. Ru will come means Trujvat Bhava will come to the Kroshtu Shabda. Okay, this is one job. And why will it come? Achi, it is said. Tritiya Dishu Achi. So in order to bring this Rutva, we need Achi Vibhakti. Correct. Now Am is Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya. It is there in front of it, and then we will get Kroshtu. This form we will get. Okay. Now there is another sutra, Hrasva Nadyapo Nut. Hrasvantat Nadyantat Abantacha Ami Nutsya. Nut Agama will happen. To whom? To the Am Pratyaya. Now that sutra says bring the Nut. If we bring the Nut here, then the further Trujvat Bhava will not happen to Kroshtu Shabda. Okay. Now whether we should bring Trujvat Bhava or we should bring Nut, this is the question. We should do Trujvat Bhava or we should do Nut by Hrasva Nadyapo Nut. That is the question. Question is clear?
Yes, ji.
So here, which one we will do? So here it is the order. This is Hrasva Nadyapo Nut Sutra. Vibhakta, these are few sutras. Hrasva Nadyapo Nut. Then Ikochi Vibhakta, Trujvat Kroshtu, Vibhasha Tritiya Dishvachi, Achira Rutaha. Hrasva Nadyapo Nut Sutra is 7th chapter, first pada, 54th sutra, and Vibhasha Tritiya Dashvachi. Vibhasha is the. Now, which sutra we should do? Vibhasha Tritiya Dashvachi. Trujvat Bhava should happen. But if we do Trujvat Bhava, we will get Kroshtru form, which is Asadhu Prayoga. We don't want it. Okay, that is one. But there is no way to avoid it. By Vipratishedhe Param Karyam, as per this sutra, we must do the Vibhasha Tritiya Dishvachi. Hrasva Nadyapo Nut will not happen. then if we do Vibhasha Tritiya Dishvachi, Sadhu Prayoga is not coming out. So what should we do? Therefore the Vartika is Patita. That in the case of Trujvat Bhava, from here only you read, this is the sutra. Trujvat Bhavebhya, it is said Trujvat Bhavebhya, na? So here just say that Trujvat Bhavat Nut Purva Vipratishedhena. How will we understand? Trujvat Bhavat Nut Purva Vipratishedhena. In the case of Trujvat Bhava, Nut will happen. But there the Vipratishedha takes place. So here do not do Para Vipratishedha, but what will you do? Purva Vipratishedha. Didn't understand? So let's come to the Sutra. Sutra is what? Vipratishedhe Param Karyam. Okay, I will write again here. Vipratishedhe Param Karyam. This is the Sutra. Vipratishedhe Param Karyam. In this case, you read Vipratishedhe Aparam Karyam. Aparam means not Para is Apara, the earlier one, previous one. So in the case of Vipratishedha, do the Apara. But this is then something like when will we understand when we are supposed to do Para and when we are supposed to understand Apara. So one solution is Vartikakara will tell us that when we are supposed to understand it as Apara or when we are supposed to understand it as Para. So here we are supposed to understand it as, or we are supposed to read it as Aparam Karyam. Somewhere it is Param Karyam. So Vartikakara will tell. This is one thing. And second is Maharshi Patanjali's solution is Param means what is Ishta? What do we want? Do that one. So Para word is in the meaning of Ishta. Ipsita. What is Ishta? Kroshtunam is Ishta Prayoga. So that is Ishta, that is desired. So according to that, you read the Vipratishedhe Param Karyam. So for that, whatever is suitable, according to that, you understand or interpret the sutra. Means Para word will be Ishta. Vipratishedhe Ishtam Karyam. Ishtam means which is desired. Here the Nut is desired and not Trujvat Bhava. So do Nut, not Trujvat Bhava. So Param Karyam, Ishtam Karyam or Aparam Karyam. Aparam Karyam is fine, but it leaves, always dependence on Katyayanaji's Sangraha of Vartikas. Whereas Patanjali's solution is little bit easy that okay, this is desired, na, according to that we will do. These are two solutions. Now take any one of them. With that, what will happen? Though Nut is Purva, it will happen. Vipratishedhe api Purvam atra bhavishyati, na tu Param. Trujvat Bhava Para, tathapi Nudeva bhavishyati. So here we were. Kroshtu Am Kroshta U only will remain. And what is the sutra? Here I will write sutra. Vipratishedhe Param Karyam iti Vipratishedhe Param Karyam iti Vartikartha Sangrahat. This Vipratishedhe Aparam Karyam, using this technique, with what? With the help of Vartikartha Sangraha. This is the meaning of Vartika. Which Vartika? Numachira Trujvat Bhavebhyo Nut Purva Vipratishedhena. So in the case of Num Achira Rutaha and Trujvat Bhava, Nut will happen by Purva Vipratishedha. Now in all these cases, the nut will come. Remaining the num and achira ruta, these two examples below I have written. But in the case of trujvat bhava, what will happen? Nut only will happen. And what? By what? Purva vipratishedhena. So this meaning we got with the Vartikartha. This interpretation we got with Vartikartha. Aparam karyam iti sangrahat nut eva natu trujvat bhavah. Natu trujvat bhavah. So here the nut will come. Am. So kroshta u nut am. Nut will turn into na, ta will disappear by halantyam tasya lopah upadeshe jannasikait. Kroshta na am we will get. Halantyam, then upadeshe jano nasikait lopah. Now we have form kroshta u nam. Kroshta u nam. Nami sutra will be applied. Kroshta u by nami ajantangasya dirghah. Sutra is nami. To nam. Form is ready. So we avoided kroshtrunam. Kroshtrunam form is clear. So here this form is not applicable. Just I will paint it some. This is not the form which is supposed to happen. Just kroshtrunam will happen. So this form is clear. Kroshtrunam form is clear. Trujvat bhavat nut purva vipratishedhena. Why purva vipratishedha? Now purva vipratishedha is what? Aparam karyam is purva vipratishedha. Param karyam is para vipratishedha. Para vipratishedhena kinchit. Apara means purva vipratishedhena kinchit. So this is purva vipratishedhena. Nut eva kritah. And we got kroshtrunam form. Form is clear?
Yes, Ji.
Now here whole Vartika goes like this. Numa chira trujvat bhavebhyo nut purva vipratishedhena. What is the sutra? Num, achira and trujvat bhava. These are the three things. What are the three things? There is something called num agama. Num agama happens. Then num achira rutah. There is one sutra. Achira rutah. This sutra. Now from this sutra, achira, this much part is taken. Achira. So num, achira and trujvat bhava. Everything is collectively taken in the one word. Num cha, achirascha, then trujvat bhavascha. These three things. Numachira trujvat bhavaha. Tebhyah numachira trujvat bhavebhyah nut eva syat katham purva vipratishedhena. By purva vipratishedha. That is the meaning. Now what is this num and achira rutah? These two works, they are not coming now. When they will come, that time we will see. But to see the prakriya is written here. Here it is. Num ityasya udaharan. Oh, nut. Till nut I did not go. Half only I have written. What is the achira rutah? That work I have written. Till that only I have written. Where exactly that nut agama happens by this Vartika. Till that I did not reach, but it will happen in Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan. Oh, I have written. Here it is. Varina. This is the prakriya. Where the num agama comes. Here it is num. Ikochi Vibhakta by this sutra, num agama happens. In the case of num, this num will come in the case of am also. Here, vari am. Vari am. Then what should we do? Should we do num agama or nut agama? So nut agama only will happen. That is the sutra. And then in the case of tisru, 3 word, when it is used for strilinga, 3 becomes tisru. And then it is declined. When there is ajadi vibhakti pratyaya. Now tisru dhana am, Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan, in this case, tisru am, generally Achirarutah sutra tells whenever there is ajadi vibhakti, then turn that rukar into refa. Rukar will be replaced by refa. Then in the case of am also, refa will come. Then there is sutra Rasvanadhyaponut. If it is Rasvanta, Nadyanta, Abanta and Am Pratyay is there in front of it, Nut Agama will come. So whether we should bring Nut or we should do Ra. So this is the question. Then Purva Vipratishedhena Nut. We will do Nut only. So we will not turn that Ru into Ra, but we will bring Nut. Tisru am iti avasthayam achirarutah iti refadeshe. Achirarutah iti refadeshe prapte hrasvanadhyaponut iti nuticha prapte katarat kartavyam iti ashankayam. One of them, which one should be done? Numachirat rujvat bhavebhya nut purva vipratishedhena. By this Vartika, we do nut and we get tisru nam. Then nami is not applied in the case of tisru, na tisru chatasru, there is sutra, and because of that na tisru chatasru, we get tisru nam, and then na turns into ana by this ruvarnan nasyanatvam vacham. We get tisru nam form. So this is the example of achira, and first example varinam is num. That is the example of num. So we get, so far we have finished kroshta shabda, kroshtu shabda till this kroshtu nam. Okay. Now let's come to the Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachana form. Dhana Ni is the Pratyaya. Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachana. So far everything is clear. We have covered till this Kroshtu nam. Vartika, Vartikartha, all these forms are clear. Ji?
Yes, ji.
Now, Saptami Bhakti Ekvachana form. Kroshtu Dhana Ni. This is the situation. Now, the sutra will come, Trujvat Bhava will happen. By which sutra? Vibhasha Tritiya Dishvachi. So, okay. Before we will do the prakriya of Trujvat Bhava, we will do the normal prakriya. It is Ghi. Sheshok Gyasakhi. By this sutra, the Kroshtu Shabda is Hraswa Ukaranta Shabda. It will get Ghi Saudhnya. So, Kroshtu Dhana E. In this situation, what will happen? U and E of this Ni, both of them will be replaced by something. So U will be replaced by A and E will be replaced by O. Achcha Ghehe by this sutra. This will be replaced by A. E will be replaced by O. Sutra is Achcha Ghehe. This sutra comes right after Out sutra. Out, Gehe, Achcha. So Gehe, Ngehe, Out Syat, Gehe, Antyasya Achcha Syat. Sorry, Achcha Syat is the meaning. So Kroshta A, O. In this situation, A and O, Vruddhya Adesha takes place. A disappears. A also disappears. Kroshta. Au comes. Vruddhyadesha takes place. Sutra is Rechi. Means Kroshta. Okay, this is normal Ukaranta form when the Trujvat Bhava does not happen. When Trujvat Bhava happens, Kroshtu, Dhana, Ngi. What will happen? Kroshtu, Dhana, Nga will disappear by Lashakvata Dite. Here we will write Vibhasha Tritiya Dishvachi. Correct? Vibhasha Tritiya Dishvachi Sutra. Now, what will happen here in this situation?
ऋतोगी सर्वनामस्थाने
ऋतो ङि सर्वनामस्थानयोः ऋतः सर्वनामस्थाने परे गुणः स्यात् ऋतः ङौ परे ऋतः ङौ परे गुणः स्यात्. Then there is ङि pratyay in front of rikaranta shabda, then ru will turn into guna. It will get guna. The guna will come. Guna will come with what? Ra, because whenever the ru is replaced by an letter comes always with ra. So it will come with ra, and then e. E. Now here we got the final form. Form is Kroshtari. Here, just like Kroshtaraha, that a has not turned into a. What might be the reason? There was one sutra, aptrun truch, swasrun aptrun eshtru tvashtu kshatru hotru potru prashastranam. By that sutra, when the sarvanama sthana pratyayas are there, then only it becomes, the upadha turns into dirgha. It is not sarvanama sthana pratyaya, it is asarvanama sthana pratyaya. Therefore, a does not turn into a. So Kroshtari remains. It does not become Kroshtari. So Kroshtau, Kroshtari, these two forms we get. In the case of Kroshtu, Dhana, Os, it is Ukaranta, Vibhasha. In the case of Ukaranta, just Yanadesha takes place and we get form Koshtvoho. Sutra is O Yanachi. And if Bhava happens, Kroshtu, Dhana, Os, Dhana, Os. Sutra is Vibhasha Tritiya Dishvachi. Ra turns into Repha by Iko Yanachi. Kroshtu, Repha, Os. Sutra is Iko Yanachi. We get Kroshtros. Sa turns into Ru. Ru turns into Visarga. First Sasayusho Ru and then Kharavasana Visarjaniyaha. We get form Krostroho. Then Kroshtu, Dhana, सुप्त. Koshtu, Dhana, Su, Pa will disappear by halantyam. Halantyam tasya lopa. Now Kroshtu Su, Sa will turn into Sha by Adesha Pratyayoho. Kroshtu Su. आदेश प्रत्यययोः. सूत्र. We get Kroshtu. Now here Kroshtu Dhana Sambodhana Su. What will happen here? We got Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachana Kroshta, and we had brought Anang Adesha in the first. We did the Trujvat Bhava and then we brought Anang Adesha. What will happen here? Here there is sutra. We have to go to Trujvat Kroshtu. Trujvat Kroshtu tells Asambuddho Sarvanamasthane. So it should be Sarvanamasthana. Okay. So the Prathama Vibhakti Pratyayas are Sarvanamasthana Pratyayas. But Asambuddhi Sarvanamasthana, that Sarvanamasthana which is not named as Sambuddhi. Now this Su is Prathama, which is Sarvanamasthana, but it is Sambuddhi Sarvanamasthana. Because it is Sambuddhi Sarvanamasthana, therefore Trujvat Bhava will not happen. That means what? Kroshtu will remain Kroshtu only. If Kroshtu Dhanasu, this was the situation. Kroshtu Dhanasu only remains, no changes. This remains as it is. So which prakriya we will do here? Ukaranta. Whatever the prakriya is there for Ukaranta Shabda, that prakriya we will do. What will happen here? What will happen here? Next.
Rasvasya gunah.
Huh?
Rasvasya gunah.
Rasvasya gunah. Who will turn into Okara by Koshta O. Sutra is Rasvasya gunah. There is Sambuddhi Pratyaya in front of Hraswanta. It will get Guna. Then what will happen next? What is the sutra? Sa will disappear.
Alyabhyo Dirghat.
Nyabhyo
Dirghat. Sutisya
Pruktam. Because it is Hal. It is Ekal. Because it is Ekal, therefore it is called Aprukta. Ekal Aprukta and it is Hal. It will disappear if it is after Halanta Shabda or Nyanta Shabda or Abanta Shabda. Okay, so here it is. No, not this sutra. Kshamyadam, this sutra is not applicable here. So this is not the sutra. Another sutra is applicable. Okay, this, if this is not there, then that is there. Eng Rasvat Sambuddhe. Eng Rasvat. Engantat Rasvantat Sambuddhe Sorlopaha. So Sa will disappear if it is there after. The Sa of Sambuddhi will disappear if it is preceded by eng or hraswa. Here it is O, which is eng varna. Therefore, it will disappear and we will get form Kroshto. Then Kroshtu Dhana Au. What will happen here?
Nothing, just
Yes. Trujvat Kroshtuhu Sutra is not applied in the case of Sambuddhi Sarvanamasthana, but other Sarvanamassthanas it is applicable. Then Kroshtu will turn into Ru. Kroshtu. What will happen here then? Kroshtu turns into Kroshtru. By Sutra is Trujvat Kroshtu only. What will happen next Prakriya? We did Ritongi Sarvanamasthanayoho.
Ritongi Sarvanamasthanayoho.
Correct. Ritongi Sarvanamasthanayoho. What is the next Prakriya? Next step? Sarvanamasthanayoho Guna. Then Aptrantrich. By that A will turn into Dirgha. Upadha. Now Kroshtar. In whole Kroshtar Shabda A is Upadha. Therefore A will turn into A. Sutra is Aptrantrich. Then final form is ready. No more Prakriya. Kroshtarav. Then Kroshtu Dhanajas. Hey Kroshtarav. Okay, here for Sambodhana. Kroshtu Dhanajas. What will happen here? Same Prakriya. Prakriya will be repeated. Trujvat Kroshtu. Then
Ritongi Sarvanamasthanayoho.
Kroshtu Ritongi Sarvanamasthanayoho. It will turn into Ar. Gunadesha. Guna will come. Ni Sarvanamasthanayoho. Then what will happen here? Aptrantrich. A will turn into A. Krishta, A, Ra, As. Sa will turn into Ru, Rutva, and then Visarga Kharvasana Visarjaniya. We get form Kroshtarah. Hey Kroshtarah. So this is what we get at the end. Kroshta Anangadesha we did by Rudushanas Purudamso Neha Sancha. First we turned the first two vibhaktis here. Means this much area we did the Trujvat Bhava by Trujvat Kroshtuhu. Asambuddhav Sarvanamasthane pare Kroshtu Shabdasya Trujvat Bhavah bhavati. So Kroshtu Su in this situation, Rudushanas Purudamso Neha Sancha, by this sutra, Anang Adesha happens if there is Asambuddhi Sarvanamasthana Pratyay in front of Kroshtu, and Ru turns into Anang, so Kroftan. Then a turns into a by aptrun truch swasrun aptrun eštru tvastru kshatru hotru potru prashastronam upadha dirgha takes place. Then krostan sa, in this situation this sanyogantasya lopa is applicable. Sa disappears. Krostan, this form we get. Na also disappears by nalopa pratipadikantasya. Na disappears and we get kroshta, this form. Kroshtaro, kroshtaraha, these two forms just now we saw. Same are for Sambodhana also. Same are for normal Prathama Vibhakti. Kroshtaram, Ajadi is there. It is Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya. Therefore, the Trujvat Bhava happens. Trujvat, after doing Trujvat Bhava, Rutongi Sarvanama Sthana Yoho, Guna takes place, and then Aptram Trush by this sutra, Upadha Dirgha takes place. Kroshtar, Kroshtaram, this form takes place. Then Kroshtaro, same prakriya. Kroshtun, Trujvat Bhava does not happen. Ukaranta remains Ukaranta only. Therefore, just Prathamayo Purva Savarna Dirgha Adesha takes place. Kroshta U As, Kroshta U As, then Kroshtus, then Sa turns into Na by this Tasmat Chaso Napunsi, Kruta Purva Savarna Dirghat, Shasah Sasya Nasya. Then Kroshtu Dhanatta. From here, Vibhasha Tritiya Dishvachi, this sutra comes. This sutra tells whenever there is Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya after Tritiya Vibhakti, from Tritiya onwards, if any Ajadi Pratyaya comes in front of Kroshtu Shabda, that Kroshtu Shabda gets Trujvat Bhava optionally. So therefore, in all these cases, Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Panchami Vibhakti, Shashti Vibhakti, Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachan, two forms we got. And also we got two forms in the case of Shashti Saptami Dvivachan. We did not do Trujvat Bhava in the case of Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan because the Ishta Prayoga was not this Kroshtrunam. We wanted Kroshtunam. But how do we do that? So we used the Vartika Numachira Trujvat Bhavebhyo Purva Vipratishedhena. By this Vartika we saw another interpretation of Vipratishedhe Param Karyam, this sutra. So earlier we had learnt Vipratishedhe Param Karyam as Vipratishedhe Param Karyam. The later one should be done. Now by this Vartika we came to know that we can also read this sutra in this way, Vipratishedhe Aparam Karyam. So now this time we used Vipratishedhe Aparam Karyam. By this, the earlier one we used in the Vipratishedha, and we brought Nut Agama. Because Nut is done, there is no more Ajadi. Ajadi is not there. Therefore, Ukaranta remains. Ukaranta, no Trujvat Bhava happens optional, which was Prapta by Vibhasha Tritiya Dishvachi. So Kroshtu Nam by Nami Sutra, Ukara becomes Dirgha. Kroshtari Ruto Ni Sarvanama Sthana Yoho, it is said. In the case of Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya and Ni Pratyaya, Guna will take place. So Guna happens, Kroshtar happens, and E, Kroshtari. No Upadha Dirgha because it is not Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya. So Kroshtari. Kroshtav, if it is Ghi Saudnyaka, Achya Ghe Sutra is applicable. And just now we saw the Sambodhana Pratyayas. He, Kroshto. Normal Prakriya which we did for Shambhu Shabda. He Shambho. The Guna takes place, Rasvasya Gunaha, and then Eng Hrasvat Sambuddhe, Sambuddhi Su disappears. Here the normal Prakriya, Kroshtarav, which we did for normal Prathama Vibhakti, and He Kroshtaraha. That's it. So Kroshtu Shabda is over. Kroshtu Shabda is clear?
Yes, ji.
Should we do Shanti Pat Swamiji?
Yes.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om Swami. Hari Om.